Today we are going to be continuing our discussion about functions. So today we are going to be deciding whether or not a graph contains a function. So I have 3 graphs right here of different equations, and we are going to decide if they are functions or not. Functions are 1-to-1. So every x value has one y value, exactly one y value, no more than that. So essentially, if you draw a vertical line, there should only be one point, one y value that intersects with that line. So that's called the vertical line test. So in example 1, I'm going to draw a vertical line. And as you could see, I could draw a vertical line anywhere on this equation, and there would only be one y value that intersects with that vertical line. So this graph is a function. Now let's take a look at this next graph. I could draw a vertical line here as well. I could draw a vertical line just like the last one. I could draw a vertical line anywhere on this graph, and there would only be one point intersecting with each vertical line. So this also is a function. Next, we're going to look at this last one. So if you notice, I draw a vertical line. One line intersects at 3 points. So this definitely is not a function. And so, yeah, it's not a function. If you need a refresher on different types of functions and what their graphs look like, be sure to check out my last video, which is linked in the description. Thank you.